Welcome to our class Deep Insights. So today we are discussing about series in logical reasoning. So series. A series is a pattern of numbers in a particular progression or regression. So कौन कहला कि series. A series is a pattern of of numbers in a particular progression or regression. So कौन कहला A series is a pattern of number in a particular progression or regression. ताले progression गोटे word, regression गोटे word. जेतबेले सानरू बड़ क्रम रे गला ताकू हमें progression बोली कहिला. regression होचे तो बड़ सान क्रम रे गला ताकू हमें regression बोली कहिला. तो तापर कोनला different types of series. ताले different types of series. What is series? We know that at first we know that what is series, then we come to the next point, different types of series by types of series. So first is number series. So what is number series and its example? जानले we are better known about number series. A series of numbers which follow a certain pattern throughout each known as a number series. A series of numbers which follows a certain pattern throughout is known as number series. जल्दी number टा series of numbers which follows a certain pattern. गोटे pattern में जल्दी गति गला किए number गुड़ी का ताकू कहा जाए number series. Then example कौन देला? Which number would replace in this series? Series टा कौन 7, 12, 19 dash मारला एडी कौन था 39 हला तो याद रे ए जो एडी क्वेश्चन मार्क दिया रा एडी आंसर टी कौन होबो हम एग्जांपल माध्यम रे बुझिला व्हाट इज नंबर सीरीज हमें बेटर जानि परिबा व्हाट इज नंबर सीरीज. सो कम टू द एग्जांपल. तो एग्जांपल कौन कहूची which number would replace in this series. ए सीरीज रे ए जगह रे को नंबर लागिले ठीक हबो. तो से कथा कहला तो वर्तमान आरो सॉल्यूशन ना कोन डिफरेंस बिटवीन 7 and 12 is 5. 12 और 7 मध्य रे डिफरेंस होची 5 है हला. डिफरेंस बिटवीन 12 and 19 होची 7. Here the difference increases by 2. So the next difference would be 9.